Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bitquery for analytics step by step clearly. Navigate to the Bitquery website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign up button located on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Bitquery. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Bitquery website. Click on the Login button and enter your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to your Bitquery dashboard. Explore the various analytics tools available to you. Familiarize yourself with the interface and its features. You're now ready to start using Bitquery for your analytics needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.